Hi. So I'm going to kind of go over how to do an animated web ad using Bannersnack. And this is just for extra support. It's not something that you need to watch, especially if you're following along in class. I'm going to be demoing as well in class. So basically, this next project, we're going to be doing 5 different animated ads with different sizes. And they will all have different designs or concepts, but they're all for the same company. So they'll have very similar looking designs, but they'll have different concepts basically. And since there'll be different sizes, the design will vary some. But obviously, we're still going to be using the same look and feel for each ad and the same, logo and colors and stuff and fonts. For each of these 5 ads. So here are the 5 sizes: mobile, leaderboard, large rectangle, half page. These are the 3 sizes that we worked with before with the Photoshop ads. But now we're moving on to, we're going to have a Facebook video ad in there, so we'll have a video and then a carousel ad as well. So these are kind of newer features, newer sizes for us, and also newer features within Bannersnack, which is kind of cool. So just choose a local business or organization that you want to build these for. Remember, each five ads will be for one business. And they'll be in full color, obviously. You can use lower res imagery. And then also don't forget to include a click-through URL for each of the ads. So the click-through will actually take you to a separate site. Typically, when you click on an ad, it takes you to the site of the ad. So don't forget to do that. And to do that, you go to the download button and then go to embed code. I'll show you that here at the end of this video. So we want animated elements, we want text, we want imagery, video for the video ad, call to action, color scheme, logo, click-through URL, which I just talked about, and then any additional graphical elements, and then also like contact information, so maybe a website URL or social media icons, maybe an address or a phone number. Kind of up to you what you want to put on there. You don't have to include all of these contact information, but all of these contacts, but think of which one or two might work on your ad the best. And then also don't forget to name your files even appropriately within Bannersnack. As a designer, you need to keep your files named appropriately. So a good example is, including the name of the business, briefly maybe describe the concept of the ad or purpose of the ad, and then also keep the file size on the end as well of the name. And so I have one for the new location, just a general branding ad, one specific to the garden center, one specific to customer service, because North 40 has great customer service, and a product carousel ad. And I would say most carousel ads are product centered. So I'm just going to have different products in the carousel ad. And then to submit this to me for a grade, submit the share link out of Bannersnack in Brightspace. So you should have 5 different share links total, one for each ad. Put a return space in between each share link to keep it organized and clean for me. And you can find the share link for each of the ads in the My Workspace area of bannersnack.com. If you hover over the ad, go to the 3 circles in the upper right corner of the ad, and then you can do copy share link. And that's where you get your share link from. So basically the process: choose that local business, come up with 5 different concepts or designs for each ad. They're done for one company that you choose, remember. So gather your ideas, inspiration, maybe do some sketches if you need to. Think of how you're going to actually add motion to your designs. Try to be creative with this. That's the fun part of this whole project. And then obviously get into Bannersnack and begin constructing your ad. Add in that click-through URL, and name your ads appropriately, and go in and find the share link and submit all 5 of those to me with spaces in between in Brightspace by Thursday, September 24th before 11:30 p.m. And we're going to critique on class on Friday the 25th at 10 a.m.